Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to use the DoorDash group order feature. This feature allows you to start an order and then share the order with the multiple people, and they're able to also add items to the order. And they don't even need to have an account with DoorDash. They're just allowed to keep adding items to it. And once the order is complete, you can place the order, and all of you guys can have the order together. It's very convenient for group meals. Anyways, to do the group order, the person who's starting the order and the order is under their account, you first open up your DoorDash app like I have here. Once you have it opened, make sure you log in into your account. And after you log into your account, go ahead and find the restaurant that you want to use. So, for example, if we're going out for burgers, I'll just find the restaurant that serves burgers. And let's go with this restaurant, Mr. Burger. And then, as you can see, once you find the restaurant, you can go ahead and click over here where it says group order. All right, share. So, they tell you how it works here. So you start the group, share the group order link with others, and everyone adds the items in the carts, and then pay once and get it all delivered together. So that's how it works basically. And then when you start the group order, you have the option to either set the limit or put none. It might be a good idea to just agree on some kind of limit. So for example, I choose to have a $20 limit, and I can go ahead and click on where it says start group order. All right. And then you get to choose how you want to share the group order. You can do it through text message, or you can do it through email, or you can just copy the link over here and just send it to people. So whoever has the link, they can just click on it, and then they will have access to this order, and they're able to add items to the order. That's how you can and then once the order once everybody has add all the orders together, the person who started the group order can go ahead and pay the order and submit the order and then pay for it. That way the food will all be delivered to wherever address you're on. That's how the group order feature works. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to this video don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos.